Hey guys, welcome to Wang's channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to select high-quality suppliers on Alibaba. Search for cups. Take this cup as an example. Open it. First, watch the product video display of the cup. Pictures. And the option description. Next, check the reviews. Focus on the content of the reviews. There is an option called with pictures. This means that after clicking on it, some buyers will provide pictures of the received products. We can check to confirm that the product is consistent with the advertisement. Then we can check how many the buyer purchased. This buyer purchased 4. This one purchased 6. There are those who purchased 9 or 50. Focus on those who purchased in large quantities. Check their reviews. Generally speaking, if there are no negative reviews, the factory's product quality is still good. Go back to the product details. You can view the seller's description and introduction. If foreign users can't understand Chinese, they can contact the seller and ask if there is an English interface. If there is, they can directly view the English interface. Next, check the information of this factory. Click. Then click on Factory Profile. Here is the factory introduction. This is it. Factory photos. And photos of factory workers at work. Their machines. Packaging area. Showcasing their samples. Next, we will check the name of this company. And here it says 2 years, which means the company has been established for 2 years, mainly selling cups. Insulated kettles. It has been shortlisted as the second in the cup list. It also provides 316 stainless steel processing, even including customization, etc. Here is also the factory introduction. I will translate it into English. For those of you with overseas customers, you can take a brief look. There is a brief introduction to the factory, including the establishment time. What is the minimum order quantity? Others evaluations of this factory. Also including the factories, records of customized contract transaction history. All of these are here. Now let's look at the price. If the price is acceptable to you, and the review we just did, you think there is no problem, you can consider ordering from them. If you are not sure about the quality of the product, we also recommend ordering a sample to check. Of course, you can also use a plugin to check if there are other factories selling this cup. Here is a similar factory selling similar cups. At this time, if you want to make sure to find the exact same one, you need to confirm whether it is the same model as yours. If you are just looking for the same type of cup, you can also check the data of this factory. How is it? The basic process is the same as before. First, check the reviews. And the review score is 4.7, which means there are negative reviews. We can click on it. And this person says, this one is more expensive. If you decide not to purchase after seeing this, you can just not consider this factory. If you still have questions, you can also check its product introduction and view the basic information of this factory. This factory has a VR viewing function. In this case, you can actually see the general appearance of the factory's warehouse. This requires the factory to upload it. Some factories will provide it. Some factories will not at the same time. Here is the person in charge of the factory. An explanation. There is also a similar factory introduction. According to the data we compared earlier, you can take a look at the two factories. Which one do you trust more? Or you can order samples from both factories to check. Either way is fine. Generally speaking, this is how we identify a high-quality supplier. Of course, a high-quality supplier requires long-term cooperation to verify. Some factories will be more favorable to us at the beginning. Some factories will be more helpful for our business in the later stage. Therefore, this also requires long-term assessment of the factory during the cooperation process. Okay, today's explanation on how to screen high-quality factories is here. Thank you all.